Hey y'all, we're up here at the land because I live here. I just want to show y'all this channel I found on YouTube. It's for cats, where they can watch little birds, little chipmunks, whatever. There's a little chipmunk. And they are so interested in this. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. We sure did. Our first Thanksgiving in the new house was wonderful. I probably ate too much. I just thought y'all might enjoy this little video of them watching these birds and chipmunks. Yes, that's a lot of orange cats. If you like these videos, hit the like button, leave me comments, subscribe to my channel. It's in the kitchen with Julie at Briar Creek. Alrighty, I'm gonna go. We'll do another video of them watching later. Right now they're having a good time. Uh-oh, there's a big old chipmunk. Alright, bye-bye y'all.